Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss
Miss
Braddock.
How was everybody's weekend?
It was good.
It was
fun.
Well,
How was your weekend?
it was good. Thank you for asking.
What'd you do?
I went on a little road trip with my family
Where'd you go?
to up in St. George, Utah. Okay, let's get started. I want you guys to make sure you have a pencil, colored pencils, and your math notebook. Okay? So everyone got it?
Yeah.
So today we're going to be learning about fractions on a number line. Does anybody know anything about fractions on a number line? No?
Kinda. Not really.
Okay, well, let's go back to our recap of our last few classes. Does everyone remember that a fraction is a part of a whole? The top number of the fraction is called the numerator, and it shows us the number of pieces we're talking about. And the bottom number is called the denominator, and it tells us the number of pieces in the whole we're talking about. Yes, Brian?
Could you show me how numerator and denominator work?
Yeah. So for 5/10, when we count out how many ticks are on this number line we have, count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So the 10 is the whole we're talking about, which is the denominator, okay?
Oh.
And then the 5 is the numerator, which tells us the number of pieces we're talking about. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5/10 would go right there.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to try 8/10 on the number line?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me? Okay. I see this pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Right there.
Good. 8/10. Do you understand the numerators now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is this fraction? How many pieces are there all together?
4.
And how many are colored in?
1.
So
1.
which one is the numerator?
4.
4.
No, remember that's the whole.
Oh, okay.
The denominator is the whole.
Oh, so 4 is the denominator.
Yep.
Okay.
And 1 is the numerator.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
So what is the fraction?
1,
1,
4.
4.
Good. Got it?
Got it. I think I got it.
Okay. Now we need to represent 1/4 on the number line. Does anyone want to try that by themselves, or do we still need a little help? Caitlin?
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Good. Which one's the denominator?
4.
4.
And 1 is the numerator. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, now what fraction is shown on this number line? Raise your hand if you want to try it out. Jen? Come up and try it out.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you have 8 ticks in a hole.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So which one was the 8, the numerator or the denominator?
Denominator.
Good. And was 5
oh,
the numerator or denominator?
numerator.
So what's his fraction?
5/8.
Good.
Oh, that was my question.
What was your question asking?
About the 8, if the 8 was the denominator.
Yep, because remember you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many ticks? What does that represent?
The whole.
Good. Now, does anyone want to come and draw the fraction? Draw this fraction on a number line? Give it a shot? Nobody? Okay, we'll do it together. How many ticks do I need?
1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9. 9. You need 9.
Ticks. Good. Now, how many pieces of this whole are colored in?
1,
2, 3. 3.
So, what's the fraction?
3 over 9.
3 over 9.
So, where would that go on this number line?
1,
Can you count them with us, please?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
4.
Would it go right here?
No, the 4.
No.
Let's count again. This is 0.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
0 to 1.
1,
1 to 2.
2,
2 to 3.
3 right there.
Right
Yeah,
here.
over right there.
Good. Okay, now for our activity, we have this number line right here, and I want you guys, I'm going to show one of these fractions, and you guys are going to put it on this number line, okay? We're going to start with Brian.
Oh no.
0 over 7.
Okay.
There should be a Sharpie.
Right there.
Okay. Okay. 1, 0, 1. Right here?
Perfect.
Do I write it?
Draw the fraction under it.
Like write the 0 over 7?
Yes. Good.
Yes.
Now, Jen. 4 over 7.
4 over 7. Zero, 1, 2, 3.
Good. Caitlin, 9 over 7. Or 7 over 7. Good correction.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, what does 7 over 7 equal to? If you have the same numerator and the same denominator.
I don't know.
1.
Good. Can you explain to your class why?
Because if you have 7 pieces of candy and you give 7 pieces of candy away, that equals a 1 whole. So you gave all your candy away, not just part of the candy.
Good. So write a 1 above this to show your class that it is equivalent to 1. Good. Now, Brian, this is a tricky one. 9 over 7.
9 over 7? Oh, great.
What do you notice that's different about that fraction?
It's bigger than 7.
The numerator is
Yeah.
bigger than the denominator.
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
We have to go past 1.
Yes. So if this is 7, what would that be?
That would be 8,
And then,
9.
good. Good job. Jen, 1/7.
Zero, 1.
Good. And last but not least, 2/7.
One over 7, you just go 1 over.
Look at how pretty your guys' number line turned out.
It looks pretty. Mine looks the best.
Okay, let's be nice.
Okay, sorry.
Can you guys think of 3 things you learned while doing this activity? Yes.
The numerator
Good.
can go higher than the denominator.
Yes, good observation. Brian?
That if the numerator is the same as the denominator, it's a whole. That's what a whole is.
Yes, good. One more thing.
Jen?
You don't know? Can anyone else help? Yes?
That it's okay for 0 to be part of a fraction.
Good job. Does that help you guys understand fractions on a number? Yes, Caitlin.
Why does 0 have a tick mark?
Well, that
when
would
you don't count 0.
Well, because that's your starting point. So you have to start here to go to 1. Because if you had no tick part right here, you would start right here, but you'd have to go to 1. So then it would mess that whole number line up. Yes, Brian?
If 0 is over 7, does that make it 0 whole? Or that there's nothing?
Yeah, so if you had, let's say you had a pizza. You and your friends cut it into 7 pieces. And it was kind of gross and cold, so none of you guys ate any of it. How many pieces of the pizza are left?
7.
7.
Yep.
So it's
So
still
0
the whole number
over
of 7?
So the denominator is the number that creates the whole.
Yes. Remember?
Okay.
And the numerator tells us the pieces we're talking about.
Yep.
Okay. Now a review of fractions on a number line. We always need to remember that the denominator is a fraction, or restart. Restart. The denominator of a fraction indicates how many equal parts the whole is divided into.
Okay.
The numerator of a fraction represents how many equal parts of a whole you are considering. And it's also important to remember that a fraction that has the same numerator and denominator is equal to 1. Does everyone understand that?
Yeah.
Perfect. Class is dismissed.